Hello, beautiful friends. Welcome to Cassia Naturals. If you're new on my channel, you're so welcome and thank you so much for clicking on this video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use black seed oil and tea tree pre-poo that will make you want to add it to your hair care routine. So like we're going to use black seed oil. Actually, I made a video on how you can make black seed oil or kalonjai oil. I'll link the video in the description box below so that you can check it out. Yes, and we're going to use tea tree essential oil, an applicator bottle, a funnel, and our hot water in a glass beaker. Yes, so you have to make sure that you submerge your beaker in some warm water or hot water. So we are just gotten an applicator bottle and transferring the sizable amount of oil that we are going to use to pre-shampoo our hair. And that is how much we are going to use. I'm sure it will leave some. We are not going heavy-handed. And we're also adding in 1% of our tea tree essential oil. So black seed oil, also known as kalonjai or black calming, benefits for hair. Like it hydrates and moisturizes hair, making it grow. The benefits are largely an anecdote and not evidence-based. So it helps with scalp conditions of the you have got, like on scalp issues. So black seed oil may help with that. So due to its antibacterial and antifungal properties, black seed calming oil can help revive skin imbalances such as eczema and psoriasis on the scalp and body. Some studies have shown that black seed oil can help treat and manage scalp conditions better than or equal to prescription medication, which is promising. However, these studies were not actually done on human beings, but it was done on animals. Yes, so there's need for more trials, yes, or clinical trials. Yes, so it can help keep dandruff at bay if you struggle with dandruff. Basic studies have demonstrated that extras of black seed or oil can help decrease the growth of various fungal organisms due to its antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and antifungal properties. And black seed oil is, known to promote hair growth. Perhaps the most alluring benefits of black seed oil for hair is that it can potentially help your hair growth thanks to the key component of black seed oil, because it contains high amount of an antihistamine called thymoquinone, and historically antihistamines have been used in the treatment of alopecia. Hence the benefits that black seed oil may promote growth. So tea tree essential oil, essential oils are highly potent and highly concentrated, so you don't need to use a lot. You only need to use 1% or 2%, yes, depending on the amount of oil you are adding the essential oil to. So tea tree, essential oil has powerful cleansing, antibacterial, and microbial properties. When used topically, it can help, hair unplug hair growth and increase growth. So a 2013 study even, found that a mixture containing tea tree oil and minoxidil was more effective than just minoxidil alone in improving hair growth. So a review in 2015 found that tea tree is commonly used in anti-dandruff treatment products. So tea tree oil improves blood circulation and removes all toxins from the scalp, paving the way for healthy hair growth. It also stimulates dormant hair follicles. So you have to make sure that you apply your pre-shampoo oil on your scalp and to all strands of your hair and to the tip of your hair. This is very important, and you have to make sure that you're working in sections so that every strand is coated with the pre-shampoo you are using. Yes, so if you have used tea tree and black cumin pre-poo, you can kindly comment in the section below. Or if you're going to try out this stimulating oil using tea tree essential oil and a black cumin oil, you can kindly comment in the section below. To my 106 subscribers, thank you so much, dear friends, for your love and your support. And to my viewers, I really appreciate you guys for watching my videos. I know that one day you are going to subscribe. So if this is your first time on my channel, consider subscribing. Yes, click on that red subscribe button and subscribe today. If you want to be seeing more of such videos, then subscribe to our channel. So on this channel, I upload videos every day. So make sure that you check out for videos every day. So make sure that you massage it in. As you can see, like you are massaging it in because it promotes blood flow to the scalp, hence promoting hair growth. And don't forget the tips of your hair because they are the oldest. That is what determines your length. We don't want them to be breaking because the moment they start breaking, then we won't be able to see length. Yes, so when I'm done with each section, I braid it up. You know what, friends? Don't forget your edges. You know, our edges are fragile, like they are the most vulnerable hair on our hair. So we need to take care of them. So I'm applying the oil. We apply it to our edges. You know, we want our edges to be healthy. Yes. And massage it in. So like I don't skip this step whenever I'm pre-pooing. Like massaging comes in handy. And I also don't skip massaging my scalp when I am shampooing my hair. So like we were quite heavy-handed, but not very much. Yes, as you can see, like isn't dripping, but our hands are very shiny. So at this point, you can put on a plastic bag or a plastic cup, whatever is convenient to you. But I love plastic bags because you know, like they last quite long as compared to plastic cups. Yes, and they are easy to find. Yes, so whatever is available to you, you can use that. Yes, so you have to make sure that you leave in this pre-shampoo for at least 1 hour or 24 hours. So actually I leave my pre-poo for 24 hours or even more than 24 hours depending on my schedule, you know. Yes, and if you're going to bed, make sure that you put on a scarf because you don't want oil to be dripping on your beddings, and at the end of the day you spoil your bedding. So make sure that you protect your hair if you are going to leave it overnight. Yes, so thank you so much, dear friends, for watching this video. Subscribe and comment in the section below and give me a like. So we are just making sure that our scarf is also so perfect. So like I love beauty, and I love like putting my scarf on flick despite going to bed. So we are actually almost done. As you can see, like you can even go out somewhere. Who can know that there's a plastic under there? Look at that. It looks perfect, isn't it? Yeah, so that is how much oil is left. Actually, I'm so happy because we are so economic. You know, because applying more oil doesn't mean that it will work much better. Yeah, so what is needed is a more amount. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. See you in my next video.